You recording?
Yeah.
He's pushing it harder and harder. Oh, Michael, you were so sweet.
Oh, what'd you find?
What do you got? Did you go shopping?
What you got? What is it?
Can you say please?
What is that? What is that?
What is it?
No, look at.
What is it? You want a cookie? Yeah.
No, I
I'll
want
get
that.
You a cookie. I'll get you a cookie. You want a cookie? You want a cookie? You want a cookie? Okay. Good boy.
By cookie, do you mean granola bar?
Yeah, did you see what I just pulled out?
I didn't. I was looking at the camera. I'm like, as long as you're gonna give him a cookie, you might as well give him Cheetos. But is that good?
See if he likes apricot.
He does.